Do you wish you can start making money online even if all you have is a smartphone and internet connection? Learning a high income skill is one of the easiest ways of making up to 6 figures monthly. Video creation and editing is one of such skills. The good thing is you can get started using your smartphone. Learning how to create and edit videos is not rocket science, but you can make a lot of costly mistakes, waste a lot of your time, and spend more money than needed, and still end up creating bad videos if you do not get the right training from the beginning. That's why I have put together a 2-week video creation bootcamp that will expose you to the earning potential of creating videos using your smartphone. You will be learning all the principles you need to know in order to start creating videos that are professionally looking. To get started, click on the link around this video to be part of it and start earning money online using your smartphone. See you on the inside.